My husband is rough with everything he owns, and his cell phone is no exception. So when it came time to change his screen protector, I knew I had to get a multi-pack. And the reasons why I decided on the Mkeke brand is for a few different reasons. Number one, this is a 3-pack. So that means as soon as he cracks or damages one screen protector, there's 2 ready to go in the sidelines for him. On top of that, this is supposed to be easy installation, fingerprint resistant, and HD clear. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is do a demonstration on how easy this is to install, as well as test out a few of the features of these screen protectors. So stick around. All right, first let's take a look at that old screen protector. Ooh, that's bad.
So you'll get everything you need in the box to change out your screen protector 3 times. First thing you'll do is clean your phone really well using the alcohol prep pad and the dry pad. Then you'll use the little dust stickers to remove any dust that's on your screen. This frame will allow you to get your screen protector aligned into the right spot. From there, you'll just slip the screen protector into the frame and then press along the center of the glass. And then you'll just apply gentle pressure from the inside of the screen protector towards the edges to push out any bubbles that you see.
This is what it looks like once I have the new screen protector on. And I am dealing with a couple of areas that are wanting to bubble, which I know sometimes they say you got to wait 24 hours for the bubbles to work out whenever you put a new screen protector on. All right, so it's been a few minutes since I installed the new screen protector, and there's actually no bubbles now. So back when I first put it on, I had a few bubbles along the border of the phone. Let me see if I can get it to a black screen. So those bubbles, what I did to get rid of them, I just gently lifted the edges where those bubbles were located and just repressed the screen protector back down onto the phone, and that got rid of the bubbles completely. So yes, no bubbles at all. Just make sure you clean your phone really, really well before you install the screen protector. That's just going to help to give you a flawless finish. As far as clear, it is very clear. Like I can't even see or tell that there's a screen protector on his phone. As far as the anti-fingerprint smudge, I can definitely see where it's anti-fingerprint, but it's not completely fingerprint proof. You can see like after rubbing on it, I have some fingerprint smudges, but really not bad. Like I'm actually surprised with how little smudges are on the phone after just handling it like I just did. So very pleased with this screen protector so far. On top of that, I'm so excited that I have 2 other ones ready to go for when he damages this one. The installation of this screen protector was super easy. I in less than a minute, I had the screen protector on and ready to go. So not only does this look great, but it was very easy to install. And so yes, if you or someone you know is in need of some screen protectors, I highly recommend this brand. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.